Can I get an order of the egg white bites, the red pepper ones?
Of course.
And then can I do a grande black cold brew with no ice? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Cora. I upload new videos about beauty, skincare, nutrition, and so many other subjects to help you live a more simple and balanced life. Guys, I am still filming on the very first camera I got for YouTube, the Canon T3i, and it doesn't autofocus, so apologies if I'm not in focus. I think as a little treat to myself, I'm gonna get myself a new camera that actually autofocuses, so hopefully the quality improves. I just got back from Starbucks. I'm in a really good mood. So excited to film this video because this is something that I've always wanted to try. So today I'm going to be ordering the lowest calorie items from 3 fast food restaurants. Today we're doing Starbucks, Chick-Fil-A, and Cheesecake Factory because I wanted to do a little experiment because so many people in my life and I've seen online have been just eating fast food throughout this whole quarantine, and I know a lot of people who've gained a lot of weight, myself included. If you guys didn't know, I gained about 8 pounds during quarantine and I'm slowly losing it. I have about 4 more pounds to go. So I wanted to see if it's possible to eat healthy while at fast food restaurants or if you're trying to lose weight. So I decided to go a little bit extreme with this challenge and order the lowest calorie options for 24 hours from 3 fast food restaurants. I just wanted to see if I would be surprised by what the lowest calorie option is or go-to foods that I might want to get from now on. So today we're starting with Starbucks. I'm probably pretty hyped up for this early in the morning because I got just a normal cold brew. I got a grande cold brew with no ice. This is my go-to order. So this is 0 calories, perfect for this challenge. And there were a couple of really low calorie options with Starbucks. They had their oatmeal, but they also had these red pepper egg white bites that I've never heard of. So I figured I would try them. These are totaling about 170 calories. I'm curious to see if this will keep me satisfied throughout the day. They smell amazing, but as you guys can see, these are very small. So not really sure how these will satisfy me, but they look bomb. So these were about $4.65. So for breakfast, under $5, that's a pretty good deal. So let's see how these are. Oh my God. Wow. I was not expecting these to be good at all. Wow. These are so flavorful, so cheesy. Oh my God. I can't believe these are only 170 calories. They're so flavorful. Great way to start off the day. Starbucks, you're doing it right. Wow. I have a pretty busy day ahead of me. I have quite a few errands to run and I'm just going to be running around. So I'm curious to see if these are going to fill me up until lunchtime because 170 calories isn't a lot. So I am going to finish these. I will see you guys at lunchtime at Chick-Fil-A. Guys, I'm starving. It's 1 p.m. and I had to drive 30 minutes to get to my closest Chick-Fil-A. I feel like Chick-Fil-A and In-N-Out are like the #1 quarantine restaurants. Like, always so crowded. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. Can I just do the grilled nuggets? Okay, this is the saddest lunch ever. Like, no, I mean, I guess for to-go fast food, it's good, but like, this is not gonna sustain me until dinner. All right, I am in my car with my 4 remaining little grilled nuggets, and they taste really good. It's just sad to like go to Chick-fil-A and not get what you want. Like, they're so good, but they disappear in one bite. I say the grilled nuggets are a good option if you want something light and healthy. And my thoughts with both of the meals I've had today is that both of them are good options and they're both felt very healthy. It's important that you get sufficient calories in throughout your day. So if I knew I was going to be eating a bigger lunch or a bigger dinner, I would of course gotten the egg bites this morning, and same with this lunch. If I ate a big breakfast or knew I had a big dinner planned, I would get this lunch. But I'm just starving right now and I don't know how I'm gonna make it to dinner without snacking. The other thing too is I spent $4.50 on this meal for like no food, and even though I've eaten relatively inexpensively today, I still want to caution everyone, I could have gotten chicken from Trader Joe's for $5 or $6 and had 2 or 3 meals out of it. Always hear people say that they think eating out is cheaper than just buying food at the grocery store and making it themselves, and I'm showing you today that that's not the case. The chicken breasts I bought and I would normally make for lunch from Trader Joe's is about $5.19 and I get 2 or 3 meals out of those, and I spent about $4.50 on these. This is maybe 1 chicken breast cut into pieces. So if anyone is just used to eating out every meal or eating out on the go, try going to Trader Joe's and see if you can find affordable options to make at home. I'm already so excited for dinner. Cannot even wait. I'm kind of shook how good my skin looks today, and I think it's from the Naturium products. So if you guys watched a few weeks ago, I did a review on the Naturium skincare line. I've been using them consistently every day for a few weeks, and I am truly shook. Like, whoa. I wanted to tell you guys that obviously this video was an experiment, and I'm doing it to see if the lowest calorie option is really the healthiest, how I feel at the end of the day, and also how much money I'm spending at the end of the day. I wanted to see if you can eat healthy and eat fast food on a small budget. Now that being said, as you guys can probably tell already, I haven't even had dinner yet and I'm already starving. I am really hangry filming this, I'm not gonna lie. So I wanted to give you guys my health and wellness tips if you regularly eat out and maybe you want to just get a little healthier or maybe just be more aware of what you're eating. So my first tip is to order whatever you want, but make sure you only eat half and save the other half for later so you're not wasting food. So I typically really try not to eat out. I think I eat my own food 95% of the time. When I do eat out, I make sure that I only eat half of the portion because the portions in the United States are way too big. Nobody needs a full burrito from Chipotle. It's just ridiculous how crazy our entree sizes are. So if I'm indulging, I won't feel guilty about it. I'll just take half home. So that way I know I'm watching my calories and I'm also watching my budget. Because say you order a $15 entree, that's about $7 per meal and you're saving so much money there. My next tip is to look at the nutrition information because the thing you might think is the healthiest option isn't always. A lot of the times people will just order a salad because they think it's a healthier option, and that's just not the case at all. I feel like salads are one of the sneakiest, most unhealthy foods you can buy because restaurants sneak so much sugar in them, in dressings, in the toppings. For instance, this burger at McDonald's is healthier on paper than this salad from McDonald's. So it's important you just educate yourself, and it's just baby steps. Just quickly scan the menu, scan the nutrition information before you go somewhere so you can make more informed decisions. My next tip is if you are ordering the healthier option, modify. That is my biggest tip. So for example, I'm going to a Mexican restaurant, I want guacamole and salsa. If I'm really trying to be healthy, I will just order a side of cucumbers or grilled veggies to dip my guacamole and salsa in instead of chips. Additional things like appetizers, chips, breads, desserts really add up. So it's just important that you're aware of what you're putting in your body because it adds up very quickly. My biggest salad hack that I feel like nobody knows about, and I never tell anybody, but I'm sharing my secrets with you, is I will order a salad with dressing on the side and then I'll ask for a lemon, salt, and pepper. So I'll put half of the dressing they gave me, put lemon juice, salt, and pepper, mix it all up, and it is so good with half of the calories of the normal dressing, and you'd never know. Sometimes I'll just do a little bit of olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, and I am good. Base your calories or your nutrition throughout the week around eating out. So say I know I'm going to a restaurant on Friday, I just won't eat out the rest of the week. It's really that simple. Sometimes you just don't want to think about things like modifying your meal and modifying your calories, and you just want to enjoy being there and enjoy your food and get whatever the heck you want. Because if I'm going to dinner on Friday night and then we're partying all weekend and then I go to brunch on Sunday, that kind of defeats the purpose. I'm gonna pick one or the other because that's just unnecessary calories, it's unnecessary money spent. You see this face? This is the face of someone who is starving. I know I said I was gonna go to Cheesecake Factory. I literally am dying right now. I'm so starving. My closest Cheesecake Factory is like 15 miles from me, and I don't honestly think I have the energy to drive there. That's how tired I am. And that fully is from lack of nutrition, and that really concerns me. Today was my rest day for my workout challenge. I'm doing the new Chloe Ting challenge, so if you're doing it with me, let me know in the comments below. And I just can't imagine today being an actual workout day because I would just be dying right now. So I decided to do some research on some other fast food restaurants that have a low-calorie menu, and I actually found an amazing article from Taco Bell, so I'll link it down below, but I didn't know that 3/4 of their menu is actually under 500 calories. That got me thinking, what can I get there that's healthy? And apparently you can order anything at Taco Bell fresca style. So they take off the cheese and the mayo-based sauces. So I was like, heck yes. Your girl's never been to Taco Bell? Not only is this gonna be my dinner for tonight, but it's gonna be my first time at Taco Bell. All right, guys, I'm home. Again, sorry for the mess in the background and the awkward room situation. I have very limited private space in my apartment, so I'm trying to do what I can, but got my Taco Bell and I ended up ordering 2 items because I wanted to show you guys a variety of a couple different things that you can get there. So the first thing I got was the chicken soft taco fresco style. So that's gonna put me at 140 calories. And then I wanted to get a more sustainable option because, again, eating such low calories in a day is just not a realistic way to live your life. So I got a bean burrito fresco style as well. That's 350 calories. So I'm gonna put my calories for the day, if I just ate the taco, in the top corner, well under 1,000 calories. So just because you're ordering the lowest calorie thing or the healthiest thing doesn't necessarily mean you're being healthy. I really want to point out that starving yourself is just as unhealthy as overeating. For a more realistic meal option, 350 calories, I'm happy with that. It's still pretty light. I typically try to aim for about 500 calories a meal. I feel like 1,500 a day is perfectly fine. So I'm gonna eat both of these because I'm starving. So eating both of these is putting my total at 490 calories for dinner, which I think is perfectly healthy. And compared to the rest of what I've eaten today, I've barely eaten, so I'll take it. And I also got to get sauces because they're 0 calories. So I got some mild and some hot sauce. I'm gonna try the taco. It's crazy that this is 140 calories because it's pretty big. And I'm gonna put some mild sauce on it. Oh my god, that's so good. It tastes exactly how I imagine Taco Bell tasting, if that makes sense. Crazy that that's only 140 calories. Like, it's so flavorful too. This sounds like it's sponsored by Taco Bell, but it's not. Like, I'm very pleasantly surprised by that. Okay, next we have the bean burrito here. Again, pretty good size. This is 350 calories. What the heck? This is so good. I'm so pleasantly surprised. I can't believe this is so low in calories. Like, what the heck? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that you can get healthier alternatives at fast food restaurants. Definitely wouldn't suggest ordering the lowest calorie options because I'm freaking starving by the end of the day. If you guys like this video and like this style of videos, let me know. Let me know if you want me to do this again with different restaurants, and I'll see you next time. Bye.